made a tweet a week ago about, you know, if I get 200 likes, I'm going to Dubai and meet my client and deliver the landing page. And the tweet got 200 freaking likes, guys. Man, I'm in the airport. I booked the flight and all of that. But that's crazy, you know. You put something and it just gets traction. They want you to waste money. It's crazy. I would lie if I told you I don't have social anxiety vlogging like this. I'm telling you, I'm missing myself. But you gotta do uncomfortable stuff. And if I wanna grow, I have to just vlog and just don't care. I'm vlogging like this. I don't care anymore. That's life. Freaking life. Baby, welcome to Dubai. So we are at the hotel, vibing. Yeah. Wow, Habibi, welcome to Dubai. So being in Dubai is a great marketing. I'm not gonna fake it till I make it. Nah, I'm just gonna be genuine. But of course, showing, you know, I was able to do this. Even though the bank account is crying. I left the UAE here 2 years ago, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna be back in 5 years and stuff like that. And look, 2 years later, I'm chilling here. Crazy. I mean, I wouldn't hide that. I'm like, of course, I need money from you guys, but I'm giving you value. So yeah, if I'm multiplying your money, if I'm helping you to make $1,000, of course.
To meet him,
yeah,
so that
sure.
We're all on the same page, and then we can just put it down on paper and get going.
Perfect.
Alright, well, enjoy it.
Alright, perfect, man. So yeah, anything, let me know, and let's crush it, man. Let's crush it. Alright, man, now I'm gonna go meet my client and deliver him the landing page as promised. Huh. Let's see if he enjoys it. And yeah, let's crush it. Let's hope he's like, yeah, mate, try, mate, I like it. So yeah, let's go. And man, enjoying this view. I'm enjoying this view. Like, Dubai makes you feel good, bro. You see jack dudes everywhere. In Spain, you don't see like few. You see a few jack dudes. It's crazy. Yeah, that's the only thing I was going to say. I'm about to see the client. Well, yeah. Hi. Who's this guy, guys?
What's happening, guys? Tech with Solomon, live here in Dubai, with the worst landing page expert I've ever come across. Scammer!
I stole his money.
Okay.
I don't care now. Just bring it like this.
Yeah, spill me. Spill with confidence. Spill with
confidence.
Absolute confidence.
What's up? But yeah, let's see if they win. They'll come in.
Those times when you don't feel like working, you're too tired, you don't want to push yourself, but you do it anyway. That is actually the dream.
Okay, Mr. Lamine, here's your landing page. So yeah, let me know what you think about the landing page.
Yeah, it looks really good. The colours match my YouTube branding, right?
Yeah.
Got social proof. What else do we have? What's included? Is all the font the same?
Yeah.
Is it the same Inter font, right?
Yeah.
Steps to success. Okay, nice. I see you change that.
Cool. Took me some time to do, not gonna lie. Students, another social proof.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's fire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good looking guy there. Look at him. Look.
Work at these companies, big companies.
Docker, man. Notion, man.
Yeah.
I should have charged him more. Yeah, changed it.
Yeah, I think we need to add some salary there.
Yeah, like medium,
middle.
junior. Okay.
We've added the gap, right? Starting to, this is probably higher.
Yeah.
Like, but that's like 250, 300. In the middle, we put the average,
okay.
to 140.
Makes sense, yeah.
FAQs.
Yeah.
It looks good, man.
Cool, man. There's your landing page, man.
Yeah.
I hope it like brings you
More revenue.
Yeah, more money.
It's better give me a 10x.
Yeah, 10x and then
in ROI.
Of course, bro. Of course, you'll see that. You'll see that happening. So yeah, what's the overall kind of experience working with me and stuff like that? Like, am I just a designer?
The experience has been really good. No, you're not just a designer. You help me with copy as well.
Yeah.
Which is good. Bringing new ideas, new animations, new elements.
Yeah.
It all makes a big difference.
And like the ROI, did you see there? Like
because we've worked for 2 landing pages, right? The initial one was good, but we kept it simple.
Yeah.
It validated that it works and converts.
Yeah.
Now we're going like upgrading it.
Upgrading.
More detail.
Of course.
So it should convert even more. Right?
Yeah. So yeah, let's see in like in a month how it progresses. So met the client, delivered the landing page, and met some friends, and enjoyed the life in Dubai. It is just crazy. And yeah, man, if you guys enjoy this, make sure to join the newsletter down below in the description and also the Discord server. Peace out.